Good morning. Come get ready with me on a rainy Wednesday. Um, First up, we are going in with the Thayer's Exfoliating AHA pads. This exfoliates the dead skin off you. So how's everybody doing this week? It's hump day. All right, we're exfoliated. All right, next up, we are going with the Thayer's Milky Toner. I am a Thayer's ambassador, by the way. I did not get this for free, though. It's just one of my faves. This is very milky. My skin will suck it right in. So we went to dinner last night with some co-workers of my husband and his agency deputy director. I'm not really sure what her title is. So shout out if you're watching. Social media came up last night. Okay, next up, we are going with this new Laka Skin Wrapping Cream. I got it from the TikTok shop. It's like I did use some last night before I went to bed as well. What the heck? Hold on. This is what it looks like. It's supposed to moisturize and hold in the skincare that you put on your face and be a great base for makeup. So we're testing it out. I think that is a product that is like a little dabble do ya. All right, wipe off my hands. All right, next up, foundation, and we're going with the True Match Nude by L'Oreal. This is in color 125, which is white and pasty. You know I hate these, but sometimes it's necessary. All right, we're also going to try out the new Morphe M243. This is a cream and liquid brush. It's for contour, but honestly, I wanted it as kind of a foundation brush. This is what it looks like. So we're going to test it out and see how it does on the old foundation today. I've tried several foundation brushes, none of which I traditional brushes, none of which I super love. So we'll try this one. This is actually, I think, a contouring brush, but hey, off-label use. It's all the rage. I love all right, I need a little more of ye old foundation here. I honestly didn't even remember that I owned this foundation, which is not full coverage by any stretch. So happy it's Wednesday. I'm actually looking forward to a weekend of not much to do. We're going to a ham radio fest swap meet on Saturday in Palmyra, which is about an hour and 15 or 20 minutes from here. But other than that, we got Zippo plans. You can see my hair already annoyed me. I was already hitting it early with the sunglasses on my head. All right. Okay. Morphe, thumbs up on that one. All right, next up. We are going in with some blush. And we're also going with Morphe today. This is the new color of the blush trio that came out. I literally stopped it all till last night. This is in Honeymoon Sweet. I have literally 3 other colors of this blush. Ooh. So there's a cream, a powder, and then a cream highlighter. So we're going with the old, you know what, before I do that though, let me throw on some bronzer. We're going to go with the CoverGirl Skin Enhancer. Give a little swoosh on the eyes, forehead, nose, under the chin. Honestly, it's so light you can barely see it. All right, next up, with the new Honeymoon Suite by Morphe. We're gonna go in with the, we'll go bold and daring with the cream. I have no idea how pigmented this is gonna be. All right, not bad. I love this one, honestly. And we're gonna go in with just a hint of the powder. Kind of set it and forget it for the Ron Popeil fans here. All right, and then we'll go back with the highlighter at the end. All right, next up for the eyeballs, we are going in with the ColourPop palette, and that's Taupe. Also a new buy last night. Here's the colors. So we are going in with Pebble Beach, I think, which is this one, as the overall color. Yeah, I like that. It's very similar to the Laura Geller Birch, which is my favorite. All right, and then for the, I'm also going to give a little zhuzh of that for the under eye. All right, and then for the accent, we're going to go in this one, which is Bedrock. I think it's Bedrock, which is darker. Give a zhuzh of that too. I'll go back and blend it in a second. I will say that is a potent stuff. Why is it that this side always works out really well and this side always looks like a cat eye? And then for a little glam, we're going to go in with this one right here, which is Slated. Give a little glam on a Wednesday. There we go. $10 says nobody at my work even looks at it, so it's fine. I feel like I have a glitter blob there. All right, we're going with it. I think it might need to maybe tap that out of there. All right, next up, going in with a little pink powder from, this is the W7 Pink Blur, just to set the under eyes. And maybe a little on the old forehead. Might as well set the cheeks too while we're at it. Set it all. All right. And then we're going in with the Milani Make It Last. setting spray. And then back in with the L'Oreal Panorama. Shout out to L'Oreal, man. I love this mascara. Kind of going slow today. I don't know what my deal is. All right. Wipe that off. All right. And then, as you know, I usually just do lip balm or something, but I did get a lipstick last night. This is the Slim Stick by Essence in color 105 Velvet Punch. It is pretty bright, I'm not gonna lie. It was, I tried it like literally right before I went to this business dinner for my husband, and it was like, whoa, what the heck? And then just on top of it, I don't even know if I have it in here. I'm gonna throw a little bit of the Clinique Nude Honey. Give it a little finish there. Don't worry, it'll wear off in like 5 minutes. So anyway, remember, love your husbands, love your wives, hug your pets, praise the Lord, and as always, go Bills.